India's Road Transport Ministry on Wednesday announced that it has created a new Guinness World Record in laying 75 kilometers of bituminous concrete in a single lane in 105 hours and 33 minutes on National Highway 53 between Amravati and Akola districts in western Maharashtra state.
Indian Road Transport Ministry entered the Guinness World Record book for constructing a 75-kilometer long highway in just 5 days on Wednesday. The laying of the road in western Maharashtra state commenced on June 3rd, and the construction of the 75-kilometer stretch in a single lane on NH 53 between Amravati and Akola was completed on June 7th in a record 105 hours and 33 minutes. Indian Road Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari congratulated all the engineers, contractors, consultants and workers from NHAI National Highway Authority of India and Rajpath Infracon Private Limited for the efficient implementation of the project that has helped in the successful completion of this world record.
NHI, on the occasion of the Azadi Ki Amrut Mahotsav, announced by Honorable Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi ji, successfully completed a Guinness World Record by constructing 75-kilometer continuous bituminous concrete in single lane on NH 53 between Amravati to Akola.
According to Gadkari, Amravati to the Akola section as part of NH 53 is an important east-to-east corridor which connects major cities like Kolkata, Raipur, Nagpur and Surat.